Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? How are you? So another reading na naman tayo today. Short reading lang for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So anong meron sa mga water sign natin dyan? Message from your person, tignan natin, and from universe kung anong message nila for you, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So let's see. Let's get 2 cards for the message ng iyong person, water sign. So, parang consistent tong mga message na to So, you have this, playing games, my nature. So, merong hindi seryoso rito na person, right? And, yeah, sabi niya, aminado siya, I am worthless daw. So, ang person mo ay feeling worthless. 'Di ba? Kasi hindi siya seryoso, naglalaro. So maybe merong nangyari dito na argument and now na feeling worthless siya. Maybe you are in separation right now with this person. Take what's resonate, mga water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, yeah. So, bottom of the deck, meron pa, no? I'm sorry, I left you. So, iniwan ka ng tao na ito, no? But right now, he or she feel worthless, di ba? Dahil sa ginawa niyang kasalanan for you, water signs. So, take what's resonate, kung sino lang nakaka-relate, di ba? And, tingnan natin anong message sa'yo ni universe, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, 2 cards again, tingnan natin. And yeah, truth will be revealed soon. So, for some of you, kung meron kayong iniintay na katotohanan or kung ano man ito, sabi ni universe, truth will be revealed soon. So, kung ano man to, kayo lang nakakaalam, water sign, kung ano man itong hinihintay niyong katotohanan, may confirmation na from universe, it will be revealed soon. Diba? And, this one naman, accept offer. So maybe for some of you, there will be an offer like a job offer or job offer or a promotion for some of you, advancement sa inyong career, 'di ba? A new beginning, maybe, new offer. So marami yan, pwedeng business offer, investment, something like that na new beginning or start a new beginning in your life. So that's it. Water sign. So, kung ano man yan, kayo lang din nakakaalam yan for you. So, maging mindful lang tayo, maging wise, o di ba, maging bright or smart sa mga offers kasi marami mga scammer, right? Kung halimbawa sa business, magi-invest kayo, pag-aralan niyo munang mabuti bago kayo pumasok, di ba? Kasi marami ng mga manlulokong tao ngayon, right? So, mag-ingat. So, yun ang para sa akin, mag-ingat kayo, right? So, yeah, that's it. Ang message sa inyo ng inyong person and the universe. So, thank you for watching Water Signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, again, until next reading na natin, see you. And yeah, please like and subscribe sa ating channel. And yeah, that's it again. Thank you, mga Water Signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Thank you. And yeah, always pray lang kay God para lagi kayong i-guide. Hindi kayo mapunta sa mga maling tao na mga mapagsamantala, right? So, yeah. See you again, mga water sign. And yeah, thank you again. Yeah, thank you. And God bless you all.